Welcome to this tutorial on using the Payable Schedule sets in COR. We will start by opening the Payable Schedules view. Select Platform from the Action card to open a blank workspace. From the Aspect menu, select Accounting, Payables, Payable Schedules. In the Payable Schedules view, select the Group button located in the upper right corner. The Chart of Account Range section consists of two entry fields and a lookup button. The first field, located directly after the Chart of Account Range label, is where you enter your chart of account numbers. Once you've entered your values, click the lookup button to initiate the search. If you enter a single value in the first field and another value in the second field, the lookup will find all accounts within that inclusive range. If you enter a single value in the first field and leave the second field blank, the lookup will find only that specific chart of account. If you enter multiple values separated by a comma in the first field, the system will ignore the second field and search for each value individually. After the lookup, the results are displayed in the chart of account tree. Here you can see all the matching accounts listed. To remove an account or category from the tree, simply select the line, right-click, and choose the Remove option. Below the tree, you'll find a Create Schedules button. Clicking this will automatically create a payable expense schedule for each chart of account in the list. The schedules will appear on the right-hand side list. Each item in the list represents an individual expense schedule. If you want to remove a schedule, just select it, right-click, and choose Remove. When a schedule is selected, its name will appear in the text field below. You can edit the schedule name if needed. Just remember, when saving the schedules, the system performs a sort. If it finds a numeric value in the schedule name, it will use that number to determine the sorting order. After you select Save, your added schedules will show in the Payable Schedules view, sorted by name and category. By utilizing the Chart of Account Range and Payable Expense Schedule features, you gain the flexibility to swiftly create and arrange your payable expense schedules with ease. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.